Hello everybody and welcome back to Bazzar Repairs and Reviews. So on today's video we have the AER Tech Folio 13-inch minimalist carry laptop bag for your laptop and tech essentials. Now this company AER is located in San Francisco and they make top quality bags and backpacks. I have a backpack myself for the last couple years and it is phenomenal. 10 out of 10. Really can't get any better than these. They're really known for these YKK zippers. They're absolutely phenomenal. Probably will never break on you. I've had mine, like I said, for 2 years, and I use it almost every day. No problems at all. Never seen anything where it's even gotten stuck or anything like that. They got these nice handles here on the bottom and on the top there on the back, which I'll show you a little bit later. So basically, we're just going to go through this little 13-inch bag. It also fits 14-inch MacBook Pros. And just see what kind of features it's packing. So we got 1680D Cordura ballistic nylon exterior, the YKK zippers as I said, padded quick access laptop pocket. It's got separate compartments for your tech accessories, front quick access pocket for cables and flat items, padded quick grab top handle, which is very nice, bottom webbing handle for secure carrying, and it is imported. I'm going to go ahead and throw in my 13-inch MacBook Air that I just bought into the sleeves. Fits very nice. This will also fit the 14-inch MacBook Airs. Got a nice handle here. Quick access handle at the top. Feels wonderful. Nice slim bag. But, you know, to fit everything that you need for your laptop and some additional things as well. This pocket was really good for flat items. And once again, it's ultra durable, water resistant, and has ballistic nylon exterior, originally developed for the military. Okay, so back to the bag. No complaints at all. I mean, it pretty much gives you everything you're looking for in a laptop bag. I can even throw this bag into my backpack as well, and it fits there. So just in case I wanted to transport a bag into a bag, and that's fine too. It has smart organization for your everyday essentials, so I'm just going to throw in a couple chargers here, some cables, and see. It has plenty of room for additional items, as you can see here. All the basic stuff you need goes in, and it has additional pockets. You can even throw an air tag in there. I have an available zipper, another pocket there, and more room in the front zipper as well. There's the dimensions, just in case you needed them. And that's about it. So thank you guys. I'm going to go ahead and end this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Once again, highly recommend this bag. You will not be disappointed.